Over here.
Over here. What's this over here?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You didn't want a dog, did you? You did? You mean you guys want a dog?
Don't have any parts over here. I was very dehydrated. Mom, look at where my dog. Look at where my forts are. Is that a dog for us? For us? Is this a dog for us? Oh my gosh! You bought us a dog? Oh my! Thanks, Mom and Dad. Do we have a name for it?
You have to pick out name. You have to pick out a bunch of names for it. And then what we'll do is we'll, as a family, we'll pick which one we like the best. Okay?
So Elizabeth, you get to pick out the name, but
You
we
pick
all
out
have to
like-
agree on it.
So much. Thank you. Oh my gosh, you're so thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. Is it not energetic?
Hello, puppy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. I never thought I would. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god. I can't believe it. It's so cute.
You're welcome, honey.
Thank you so much. I've been wanting a dog my whole life. Hi, Dream. Hi. Sammy, Sammy. Aww. Come here. You actually got your little puppy. Yeah, you got your very own puppy. Come here.
Open it. Hold on a second. I'm gonna open it up and tell me what's inside, okay?
Are you serious? It's a puppy!
Don't scare the puppy. That's your puppy. His name is Hampton. Merry Christmas.
His name is Bentley.
Suave, Natty, suave.
She is not like being in that box. She was being really good and started whimpering as soon as you guys walked up.
Merry Christmas!
You got her!
Let's see her.
Okay, one hand on each side and lift it off. Hurry, hurry. Pull it off.
Hurry.
Open it up, Andrew.
Open it up. Oh, how about that? Oh, wow.
Not to put one in my dog. You put one in my fork socks. Is that a dog for us? For us? Is this a dog for us? Oh my gosh! You bought us a dog? Hi.
What is that? That's a little Sadie's? What is that? It's a puppy. Whose puppy is that? And who else is? Is it?
Better get out.
Merry Christmas, Andrew.
Oh my gosh! Did you seriously give me a dog? Yes? Oh my gosh. That's Andrew's new dog.
Yep.
What is it?
It's a puppy.
It's a what?
It's a puppy.
Oh, a puppy?
A puppy.
A real one?
A real one. Come see.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. Look at this. You can make a real puppy.
Oh my gosh.
It's so adorable.
Well, open the thing. Let the puppy thing out. What is it? Is it a boy or a girl?
Oh my goodness.
Well, I don't.
You're very slow. Only when I say.
Right, put
Okay.
it in.
Right.
Hang on.
That.
Okay.
Okay.
Get it into place.
Come on, bring her over. That's your doggy. That's your puppy. Oh, sweetie. Oh, sweetie.
Do you not like it, Kiki?
You are a mummy now, Sibyl.
You're a mummy.
Give her a cuddle.
It's so messy.
Your glass is steaming up.
Oh,
Sweet.
baby. What do you think? Do you like her? Oh.
Oh, she loves you.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.